in the past 4 years, I've done multiple programs related to marketing and advertising, be it programs from like an educational institute, like a university, or from standalone institutes. But this program by far has been the best experience I mean, I could not ask for anything better. And I honestly want to extend a huge amount of gratitude to you for putting this all together.
Yeah.
I think this course was exactly what I've been looking for the past 4 years, and now I finally found it.
Hi everyone, meet Aditya Pandit. He's from Maharashtra. So he's a digital nomad and he got his first client in just 7 days. Okay. So is this true, Aditya?
Absolutely. So the moment I started to not just theoretically learn, but in person apply your teachings, I think it took me less than 7 days to properly close my first client.
Wow. So which industry or which niche are they from, that client?
So the client that I first work with is from a coaching industry. They are business coach. They also help professionals get better in their careers.
Oh, okay. So working with a coach, like, was it first client? Was it difficult? Like, what really motivated or helped to get that client?
Right. So I have always been fascinated by the coaching industry because I know how how important it is to be guided in the right way to do something. So I had spoken to this person as a potential prospect earlier, but I wasn't able to convince them, or I wasn't able to close them, so to say. But after I went through the course, I got I learned the ins and outs of how to be persuasive, how to be convincing. So I was able to use those tactics to get to the root of their problem and try to understand why they need marketing. So I was able to sort of turn the tables, and not, it wasn't me trying to chase them. I was able to convince them that they do need this, and be able to show them why it is so important for them. And then it becomes a piece of cake.
Got it. So you said, are you from what's your background? So you're telling about, I was able to hit to the root cause. I was able to close persuade properly. So before, did you have any bad experience? Like, what's your background?
So I come from a marketing advertising background. I've done my graduation in advertising from Mumbai University, and for the past about 3 to 4 years, I've worked in the marketing field as a copywriter, as a content writer. That's been my role mainly. So I do understand the principles of persuasion through copy, but I have not been able to translate the same energy, during a one-on-one or a verbal meeting. So that was one of my challenges. And although I was extremely confident about the value or the quality of work that I can deliver, I was not able to convince the client, or I was not able to show it. So I think that is where I've improved the most.
Okay, so you learned. So you're from marketing background. You're
Yeah.
from advertising. You've done your masters also.
Mhm.
Uh, you had, like, after getting that, you worked in the same industry, is it? But
Yes.
now, when how is this program? How is, like, did this really help you in any way? Because you're
Sure.
already in marketing, but did this, what really, what is different here?
Right. So I just like to try to preface this. In the past 4 years, I've done multiple programs related to marketing and advertising, be it programs from like an educational institute, like a university, or from standalone institutes. But this program by far has been the best experience I mean, I could not ask for anything better. I will be honest that I was skeptical getting into it, because there are a lot of gurus who call themselves the expert of this and that, and once you actually go and learn, you see that they're just full of BS. Like they're just telling you the same thing that you already know. But I think our program doesn't just focus on technical skills. It does, but not just that. It also focuses on building your own personality, building your own confidence. And these are the subsets of, becoming a successful, call it an entrepreneur, call it a freelancer, just starting your own business and being successful at that. Because we've all been trained to follow the orders, be a good employee, and just do good work. I'm good at doing my work, but I wasn't good at being myself, or I wasn't good at being that confident about myself. So that's the program has helped me unlock within me.
Wow, wow, very powerful. So, yeah, I think like I'm super happy that you told that you've taken between universities, standalone institutions. Uh, Nowhere this was close by.
No, this is way beyond anything.
Wow.
That's
So yeah, it is really powerful. Comes from the
Yeah.
experience.
And I honestly want to extend a huge amount of gratitude to you for putting this all together.
Yeah, really, thank you so much. It really means, because my vision, my goal was to be better than MBAs.
Absolutely.
You
It
did
is.
you did advertising in the same field. Like that is also powerful. I would say knowledge is powerful, but here it is completely applied knowledge. What is needed has been given.
Right.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how powerful was this?
100.
Thanks. Um, yeah, even I think I felt completely blank now. Okay, so what are the skills that that you really like, the most powerful skills here?
So like I said, since I'm already from a marketing background, copywriting or web design, these were some skills that I had
You
already picked.
already knew.
Yeah, yeah,
So copywriting, when it comes to copywriting, you were working as copywriting content marketer, is what you said. So now
yes.
you learned copywriting here as well. Was
Hmm.
that different, or you knew already?
So I knew the basics, but the way copywriting as a skill or as a tool of persuasion was approached in your course, that was a bit different than the way I had learned copywriting. As a skill.
Mm,
Uh, in your course, you have taught to not just stitch words, but actually go a step beyond. Think about your end user. Think about their problems. Think
mm,
about what they want, their dreams. So this taking a step back, or going a step further, and getting into your end user shoes, like
uh-huh.
this thing that you've taught in the copywriting module. I think that's incredibly powerful, and it really helps you uh, really change the way you think about writing, and it definitely shows a lot of value when you actually think like that.
Correct. Perfect. So yeah, copywriting is also very depth, which has been explained. So you have the psychological secrets, you have how to write copy for cold audiences, how to write it for warm audiences, what is hot audience, then what is the funnel structure, like the
Mm,
elements that need to be in the funnel. uh,
right.
very depth. Awesome. So now tell me about like the community or your experience so far.
Yeah. So when I joined, I think the community was roughly around 100.
Mm,
I was, like I said, I was skeptical before joining. So I asked, how many people are actually doing this course. So just to get an idea if I should get into it. And it was about 100 people. So I said, okay, maybe let's give it a try.
mm,
But ever since I've been a part of the community, I think every single one of them have been really helpful. No matter at what time of the day or night you put up a question, someone is always there to answer it.
mm.
It's you or the community managers or anyone from the community whoever has a bit of experience, a bit of knowledge about that specific problem, they always step in to help. And I think more than a community, really, as we call it, it's truly a family.
Yes. Nice. So, have you got any help from community, or have you collaborated with someone with any work?
Yeah. So in the past month, I have collaborated with at least three people from the community. In total, together we are working on 6 prospects, and 2 of the clients have been closed and we're already working with them. So I think so. How we do is we talk to each other. We try to understand what skill you can bring to the table, what skill I can bring to the table, and we sort of complement each other. So maybe if one of the person is not, they're not able to speak properly, then I step in, I help speak to the client. Or maybe if another person needs help in designing a good website, designing a good landing page. Maybe they have good copywriting skills, but their design skills are not that good. Then someone steps in, then helps with the design. And it's a collaborative effort. And I think being a freelancer previously, I know how lonely it becomes, working in the digital space. So having a tightly knit community like this, who is there to help, who is there to collaborate with you, it's a completely different experience and something that I have always been yearning for.
Oh, nice, amazing. So you said you're a freelancer.
Yeah.
Now you're a freelancer. What is the difference?
Now I would say I'm a freelancer, because earlier when I was a freelancer, I would sell my time for the money. But now that I'm a freelancer, I understand how I can leverage value, how I can leverage knowledge, how I can leverage other people's skills in order to deliver good quality work to the client, deliver what I promise, and not just sell my time for the money, but actually add value and get far more in return than what I put in terms of time. So I
Awesome.
think
And in terms of knowledge and in terms of mindset, knowledge, like from freelancer, is there a perspective shift? Is there, have you observed it?
there's definitely a perspective shift, because a lot of the initial modules in the course talk about mindset. And mindset has been one of the things that I was always baffled with. I have struggled with anxiety, or I've struggled with work related anxiety previously, but uh, looking at it from different perspectives, or looking I've always wanted to change this mindset, but I never knew how to do it. So you help me do that. I
You
think
know,
that's
have a
perfect.
powerful entrepreneur mindset.
Absolutely. And being an entrepreneur, there are a lot of challenges that really nobody talks about. So this course also sort of touches on it, and it gives you the reality that it's not all flowers and sunshine. There are going to be, like you keep saying, you're going to face hundreds of rejections. So this is something that you need to accept when you step in, so that it doesn't put you down, but rather you look forward to those rejections, so that you can learn from them what you mistake you did, and you correct yourself and do better next time.
Okay. Amazing. It was, I'm really happy that, you know, someone having a freelancing and advertising background really got a lot of value that he really was looking for in this program.
Absolutely. Yeah. I think
So,
this course was exactly what I've been looking for the past 4 years, and now I finally found it.
so how many courses that you have like taken? Do you have any numbers?
uh, at least 6 that I've officially paid for, and countless YouTube courses.
Wow, 6. So that
Yeah.
was all, like if you all total it up, let's say, how much money was that? 6 courses.
No less than 5 lakhs. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is, compared to this is peanuts. What we are
Yeah, this is like,
paying.
I now that I realize the power, I probably pay 5 lakhs for it. That's for sure.
Yeah. Amazing. So I'm super, super happy, super glad. So now I want you to, take, uh, I want you to grow your business. So this is how you grow your business. Okay. Imagine that you have 4 houses, which is a rental property that you have
Hmm.
invested in Mumbai or in Delhi, anywhere.
Hmm.
So to have a, a 30,000 rupee rental income coming from an house, how much
Hmm.
do you invest for having that house? Let's say you have 4 houses, and that
Okay.
each 4 houses has the potential to give you 30,000 rental income
Hmm.
every month. So to
Yep.
have that 4 houses, what is the investment that you need?
I think at least a crore each to get up to at least 30%. Yeah.
So if you invest around 4 crores, you will have 4 rental houses,
Or rental properties. Yeah.
properties in maybe in your city or anywhere.
Mm.
So to make that 4 crores, it's not difficult. I mean, it's very difficult to invest.
Mm.
Now, without having a 4 crore rental property, with just the knowledge that you have gained here,
Mm.
you can have 4 uh, clients who are paying you 30,000 every month, just like having a rental property.
True that.
Without having that 4 crore investment, you can still make 30,000 rupees per month.
Agreed.
Not only in your city.
Mm.
In your city, maybe 30,000 rupees. But for the same house, maybe in USA, maybe in Dubai, it's 75,000 rupees.
Right. Yeah.
So now you have rental properties in every, you name the city, you have it.
Yeah.
You just have to make it work.
Make it work. Yes, absolutely.
You're as rich as someone who have a 4 crore rental property.
So that's it. It puts in a really new way to look at it.
Yes. It's do you think it is the like it's the same thing, right?
Yeah.
It's the same thing. Now, if you want to
Exactly.
earn 30,000 rupees per month recurring, what are the other option? People would say have a property, have a rental house.
Mm.
Need to invest. But your mind, your skills, your knowledge is real estate.
Right.
And the formula for you to make money is energy equals money.
Energy equals money. Yes.
So you're in this formula now, like energy, put more energy, you have your knowledge. You can talk the language because you're from the advertising background.
Yes.
You just have to go all in.
Go on. True.
There is no other business in 2023 as
Mm.
good as this one. Because
I completely agree with you.
all you need is skill, knowledge, language. That's it. Skills and knowledge. If you have, you're done. And then you need the team and you need to go put your efforts. That's it.
100% agree. I think that is exactly what the course has helped me do. Is I have been confident about my skills, but I was not able to go all in or
Mhm.
uh, approach it the way that you have taught. I think that is what would be the complete game changer moving on.
That's it. So all the best, very best to you. Wish you all good luck. One
Thank you.
idea over a long period of time is where you make fortune.
Yes.
I started 5 years back. 5 years of experience, I've put this in the program.
Mm.
That 5 years of experience, is he's showing me in my client's work,
Mm.
showing me in my agency. Any client that I talk, I can close them. It is not they are closing me, I am closing them.
Yeah.
It's like yesterday I had a call with another coach.
Mm.
I didn't find their potential. I'm probably, I'm thinking, should I onboard them?
Mm.
Now I have the choice to with whom to work.
Home to work. Yeah.
And then I've designed that I need to work from home, I need to work from office. Like I designed my life. The same
Mm.
thing is what I'm living.
Yes.
So you have also designed your life in day one of the
Yes.
program. You've written it down. Maybe work from home, work with night dress, work with formals, work from cafes. Now you have the potential.
Yes.
Okay. So that's it from my side. One idea, one goal, one mentor, one mission you would achieve.
Yes. I agree with that.
So anyone, finally, anyone who want to join, what do you have in your mind? What do you have to say?
I would say if you have gotten in touch with Bipin, if you've watched the webinar, however way, if you even have the hint about it, and if you're skeptical, don't be. It's 1,000%. Just do it. Just do it. If you don't know about the course, if there's anything, there are two main things. The mindset that you have been lacking, if you're not confident about what you're doing, if you don't know how to do it, this is how you do it. End to end, it is everything that you expect and far more than that. There is nothing else you would ever have to pay for, as long as you do the course and as long as you put in the work that has been done. That's the most important.
Awesome. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Bipin. Have a good day.
Thank you.